Hello guys, welcome. This is Karol here with another affiliate marketing video, and today we're going to talk about what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. Alright, I get this question a lot when I talk with people, like, listen, what is this affiliate marketing thing that you're doing, how does it work? So we're going to look at it and hopefully you will understand it and see the power in it and you will want to leverage it. Okay, so without further ado, let's get going. Alright guys, so what is this affiliate marketing thing? You might see it on Facebook, maybe an ad popped up over there, like get rich or whatever it is, make money online with affiliate marketing and all of this stuff. And you're just wondering whether it is maybe some kind of like a one season wonder, like it's came here this 1 year and the next year is going to be gone, or what it actually is. Now, let me just put it straight, okay? Affiliate marketing is a pretty established business model, okay? It's been here for several years and it's very, very popular. It's on the rise. It's actually a $12 billion industry and it's just going up and up every single year. I think the last year was around 10% of increase in the industry, so it's just going up and up. It's highly popular, and around 80% of all the businesses, of all the companies in the world have affiliate marketing incorporated into their business in some form or another. All right, and what I like to call it is that it's a win-win-win situation or win-win-win business model, which means it's a win for the company which has the product or service, then it's a win for the actual affiliate marketer who's selling the product, and it's a win for the customer as well. All right, so let's have a look at what it actually is. So if you have no idea what affiliate marketing is, in a nutshell, it is pretty much affiliate marketer, which might be you or me, selling other people's products for a certain commission. Okay, now we're going to talk about this a bit more about the commissions, but first of all, let's determine how this selling of other people's products for a commission works. Right, so first of all, let's determine that we have some kind of a company that has a product. All right, so we have a company A, all right, and they have a product over here. Now, what they can do, this company, all right, apart from creating the product, they can traditionally, what it does is they're going to also sell it as well. Okay, so they're going to use, let's say it's a big company, so they're going to use a sales department, their own sales department. Okay, now this is pretty standard and traditional way of business. All right, it's highly popular. It's everybody knows about it. Okay, you create a product and you sell it, market it on your own, and that's it. Yeah, right. Now, the big disadvantage of this model is that the whole selling part together, combined with the product creation and actually fulfilling the product, is very, demanding, right? The whole sales process is very time consuming. It requires a lot of time, effort, resources, not only money wise but also human resources. Okay, you need people who are going to actually sell it, plus you still have to fulfill all the demands of these customers, which is including the handling of the product and the deliveries, refunds, customer service, all of that stuff. Not to mention, you would also need to somehow do something with the actual product, all right, like some upgrades or something like this, right? So this is pretty much what it is. So let me just write it over here, what everything we need to do in all of these parts. So this is pretty much called a backend, okay, which is everything that stands for the actual product. Okay, so it's apart from the actual product creation, what we need to do is the customer service. Okay, customer service, then we have let's say handling of the product, yeah, handling, packaging, let's say deliveries, yeah, delivery, refunds, and all of that stuff, which is pretty much all of that. Now, I know from my own experience from Amazon and eBay, this can be highly frustrating part, especially the refunds, the customer service, packaging of the parts, delivery, customer says it didn't arrive, but your tracking says it was delivered. So all of this stuff, it might be pretty frustrating, right? But on the other hand, you still haven't sold anything. You need to actually sell the product, okay? So apart from the actual obvious thing of selling, you will need to market the product, okay? You will need to maybe advertise, okay? Ads. You will need to reach out to people, okay? So let's say some social media stuff, okay? Social media. You will need to maybe have a website, okay? Where you present your product. You will need to maybe provide some content for these people, yeah? So all of these stuff, yeah? And you haven't even sold anything, or you're not even in the profit. This is pretty much what a company with the traditional way needs to do. This part is called the front end, okay? I'm going to use front end, FE, this part, with the sales department. Now, here comes the good part, okay? What affiliate marketing essentially does is that this affiliate marketing divides these two parts. So two different independent individuals can do this simultaneously, and it will benefit both of them. All right. So, which means that the back end, all right, is going to stay with the company. All right. Company is going to work with the product. They're going to work with the customer service, delivering the products, and all of this stuff. So what it means is they can fully focus on making the best product and the best customer service available, right, possible for the customer. On the other hand, the front end is going to be done by so-called affiliate marketers, okay? Okay? So a little bit of different, but yeah, hopefully it's readable. So this is pretty much done by affiliate marketers, all right? Which might be you or me, okay? Now, our focus as affiliate marketers is to pretty much sell the product, nothing else. We don't care about delivering the product, we don't care about the customer service, we don't care about refunds, packaging, handling, nothing like this. We only focus on selling, marketing the stuff, and all of that stuff. The good thing is that you're not bound to sell only one product or the company A's product. You can sell simultaneously any other products, company B, C, D, E, F, whatever you want to do, alright? Now, so this is essentially how affiliate marketing works, okay? Now, let's have a look at how it actually works with affiliate marketing. Okay, let's dive into the affiliate marketing and let's get back to the commissions that I spoke about earlier. So let me just erase all of this and let's have a look at affiliate marketing and the commissions, what you might be interested in, okay? What are the payments and how it actually works. So first of all, we have two different types of products that you can market as an affiliate marketer or sell. So it's physical products and digital products, okay? So we have physical, and then we have digital, all right? Now, the physical products, the best example is products on Amazon, all right? You can actually be an affiliate for Amazon. It's called Amazon Associate, all right? And it's completely free to sign up, and you will get a specific custom link, tracking link, which once anybody clicks on that link and buys something from Amazon, you will get a commission, right? It's pretty straightforward, very easy to do. A great example is or are YouTube reviews for a specific product, okay? You know those videos where a person buys the product from Amazon and they take you literally from unboxing of the product to giving you their opinion, testing the product and all of that stuff, alright? So that's pretty much physical product. Okay, it's not limited to only Amazon, but I'm just using Amazon as a great example of it. With Amazon, I think it's around, or in general with physical products, it's around 5 to 10% of any sale. Okay, so that's commission. You will get 5 to 10% commission for each sale that you make. Now, let's say you will have a, I don't know, let's say DSLR camera which is worth $500. Okay, so $500, all right, and you get usually, let's say, those 10%, so that's $50 commission. Okay, that's your commission from this, from one sale. Okay, now this is highly popular thing. You see it on YouTube, all right, and other stuff like comparisons of pages and all of that stuff. Now, this is something that is popular, but many people are not really willing to go into it, do it, you know. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a big fan of that either, all right. That's why here comes digital products. Now it's going to be way more interesting than with physical products, because the commissions start at 30 to 50% from the selling price. Okay, plus you will be able to find products, okay, that are going to give you 75 to 100% commissions. Yes, 100%. There's not many, but you can find them as well. So it's 75 to 100% commission. Now we're talking, right? Now we're talking. So that's commissions, okay? So now, why are these companies able to give you this kind of commissions? Very easily put, there is way less costs for handling of the product, the delivery of the product. There is no cost for packaging, no cost for no cost maybe for delivery as well, because it's just done, you know, through email instantly pretty much, right? So there is less cost for the back end, which we talked previously about, you know, all of that stuff. Therefore, there is a bigger margins or bigger space for margins and profits. Okay, that's why they are able to give you higher commissions. Now, the 100% commissions, I'm not going to get too much involved into it, but the thing is, it's also a marketing strategy for the actual company. They will give you 100% for one product, but then once the customer buys this product, they are going to offer them other products which they are either not going to give you any commission or smaller ones. Okay, so it's not like they are just losing and giving the product for free. All right, now how do you leverage this thing, or how can you actually use it for your good? Okay, now if you want to go for digital products, okay, physical products we determined, it's the best example is Amazon. So if you're interested in that, go for Amazon, it's the best choice for it. With digital products, we go for something called affiliate networks. Okay, now the best example of that is, it's not really affiliate network. Well, the best example of that is, for example, ClickBank. Okay, that's pretty much the biggest affiliate network, or most popular one. ClickBank. Okay, clickbank.com. You will find products and niches from all over the place. Okay, if you have a passion for woodcutting, you will find woodcutting product over there. Okay, if you have anything like, you know, any passions, you will probably find the product over there. It's completely free to sign up for these affiliate networks, most of them. All right, you don't even have to buy the product or anything like this, and you can start promoting it. You can get, literally, you will get the same, or not same, but, you know, similar tracking code, just like with Amazon. It's a tracking code, tracking link, and again, whenever somebody clicks on the link and they buy, you will get a commission of it. Now, the big question is now, like, okay, Karol, I know that I want a digital product. I go on ClickBank, I sign up, I get product, now I'm ready to go, right? But the question is, how do you actually promote it? What do you do? Right? Many people will tell you to just spam the link all over the place. Facebook groups, forums, Quora, all of this stuff. That's unfortunately it's just not working, alright? It's not gonna work for you. You will need to brand it, okay? You will need to actually market it, brand it. You will need to promote the products in the proper way. Now, it's not something difficult. It's actually easy to do, all right? You just need to be shown how to, and then it's just going easy and it's going to be so natural for you, all right? So I cannot really talk in this video about that. That's why I've created a 4-day video series where I go literally from A to Z, how to create all of this stuff, how to promote affiliate marketing products, okay, and how you create your affiliate marketing business, how you create your online presence on your own. It's completely free. You get full access to this video series. So if you're interested in that, just go ahead, click the link in the description below, and you'll get full access to it, all right? If not, no problem. I will see you in the next video, and by that time, have a great day. Bye, guys.